Alright, today we're going to learn to multiply a 2 by 2 matrix by a 2 by 1 matrix. It's one of the more popular ones in the exams. So, we have two examples. We'll do one at a time, obviously. Here we have a 2 by 2 matrix and a 2 by 1 matrix. What you want to do is, when you multiply a 2 by 2 matrix by a 2 by 1 matrix, expect to get back a 2 by 1 matrix, which means we're looking for one answer here and one answer here. To get the answers, pay attention to the smaller matrix. The smaller matrix, pay attention to the number underneath. So today we're going to be paying attention to what? The minus 6. Here's what you want to do. You want to pretend that the minus 6 swings up to the top. So the minus 6 swings up to the top here. The two numbers on top here now are 5 and minus 6. What you want to do is pretend that these numbers slide across in the same order. So the 5 and the minus 6 will slide across, and we're going to photocopy it underneath here. And then we're going to photocopy it underneath here. So that again, the minus 6 swings up to the top. These two numbers slide here, and we're going to write it in here. The 5 and the minus 6 in the same order. And we're going to photocopy it here, and we're going to photocopy it here. 5 and minus 6. Each combination now, each pair, we're going to multiply each one of them. So, minus 1 multiplied by 5 is minus 5. 3 multiplied by minus 6 is minus 18. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 6 is positive 24. Now remember, I said we were looking for two answers, one on top and one underneath. To get the answer on top is very easy. We just add the two answers we got on top here. Minus 5 plus minus 18. Remember, a positive and a negative is a negative. So minus 5 minus 18 is minus 23. That's our first answer. To get the answer underneath, we just add the two numbers underneath. 10 plus 24 is 34. And that's the end of the question. Let's try back again with a different example. So, we're going to take a 2 by 2 matrix again and multiply by a 2 by 1 matrix. So, remember, the number in the smaller one, the one that's underneath, let it swing up to the top. These two numbers, slide it across. Photocopy it here and photocopy it underneath here. Each pair, multiply them. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Minus 1 by 4 is minus 4. 1 by minus 3 is minus 3. And 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. To get the answer on top, we just add the two numbers on top. 0 plus minus 4 is minus 4. And to get the number underneath, minus 3 plus 8, which is positive 5. And that's it. That's how you multiply a 2 by 2 matrix by a 2 by 1 matrix.